view is stunning. There you go. You can definitely close it up. But I think it will be nice and lovely to actually see the beauty of Jakarta day and night while you're taking your bath. Very relaxing, right? It's 1222. That's where I'm heading. Ta-da. Hi everyone, welcome back. It's me again. Nuria.com is coming back with the hotel review, and I'm taking you to. Can you guess where am I? Ta-da! Ritz Carlton, Jakarta, Mega Kuningan. Ready to have a little room tour with me and enjoy the beautiful scenery of Jakarta from this side of the city. Stick around then. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stick around with me to the very end of this video. So again, welcome to Ritz Carlton. Kali ini bareng aku Indah Nuria, we're gonna have a little room tour and review of this hotel as well as the facilities that we can definitely enjoy in the room. One thing for sure, hotel-hotel di Jakarta dan saya yakin in all levels, maksudnya bukan cuma bintang 5 atau 4 aja, but I think everybody and every hotel here have implemented the new health protocol untuk memastikan we can stop and limit the spread of COVID-19. Dan tentu saja hotel Ritz Carlton juga begitu. So by the time we enter the premises, kita juga langsung dicek suhunya using the digital machine, so to avoid to reduce the contact, dan juga memastikan bahwa we are washing our hands or use the hand sanitizer by the time we enter the hotel. Kamarnya sih, as you can see, is nice and spacious. Facilities is always be top notch, dan karena Ritz Carlton juga bagian dari Marriott Bonvoy group, so you can imagine the standard that they have here. Kita sama-sama lihat yuk ada apa aja. By the time you enter the room, you will definitely enjoy this beautiful enclave welcoming you with such an elegant mirror and buffet here. Aku senang deh liatnya. Ini buffetnya tuh yang lucu banget, and it has all the need that you're gonna enjoy for your free coffee, tea, sugar, and creamer. Tada, ada Nescafe lengkap dengan creamernya, and then you also have your jasmine tea and green tea. Jadi datang langsung disambut dengan that free beverages. And the good thing is semua alat-alat makan ataupun minum yang ada itu dibungkus satu persatu individually wrap untuk memastikan kebersihannya terjaga dengan baik. So you don't have to worry about it. That looks cool. There is a fridge, of course, here, but there's no minibar inside. But you are welcome to bring your stuff to be cool in there. And as a complimentary, you have 2 extra bottled water untuk minum di kamar. And here's the room. Ta-da! You can see how nice and spacious it is. I love it. Pokoknya ini apa layoutnya tuh very nice and unique gitu. You feel so comfortable. It feels just like home. You can see the big single bed that we have here with 4 comfort pillows and such a lovely bed. I have tried it myself and I enjoy it. And these beautiful paintings of, let's see, I think this is like Indonesia zaman dulu. Like you can see that closely. Even the writing is using the old and ancient spellings, which is interesting definitely. Dan satu hal yang penting banget itu adalah perlengkapan-perlengkapan untuk perlindungan kesehatan kita. This is what you have. So they ensure that they have all this lovely, we call it sanitary package or kit, yang isinya itu masker, kemudian hand sanitizer, dengan antibacterial multi-purpose wipes with aloe vera extract. Something that you need to ensure that you are observing fully the health protocol during this new normal era. And I love the fact that they also provide me with fresh fruit. Ta-da! Fresh fruitnya banyak lagi. This is so nice. As you can see, we have the apple, the pear, orange, the snake skin fruit or salak, and banana. Dan the good thing is all the cutleries, ada pisau, garpu, dan sendok yang juga individually wrapped here together with the napkin, I think, because I use the same thing for my lunch today. Alright, and as you can see, there you go. You have your flat screen TV. Let's go check that out. Flat screen TV for your enjoyment here in the room, and let's see what we have. I think they have a lot of channels for sure. While waiting for the TV to start, which takes a while, I'm just gonna go and check what we have here. Right. Obviously, you can have all of your favorite channel here and enjoy them. And another charming part of the hotel in this room is, of course, the bathroom. I will take you there later on, but this is what I like about the working station. Mejanya itu persis banget menghadap pemandangan Jakarta yang always be mesmerizing, at least for me, while you are looking at all the skyscrapers and how metropolitan Jakarta is. There you go. And then the chair is comfortable enough with all the amenities that you need, like power plug, your TV, and then what is in the drawer, let's say. And then some drawers showing you the kiblat. There you go. And then the reading lights, which is so good. The design is pretty much classic, but I like it because it matches the whole ambiance of the room. You see, from the bed and the frame of it, the bedside table, the sofa, as well as the cabinet atau lemari yang ada persis di bawah TV. Nice, ya? For the view, this is what I have. By the way, I'm staying on the 12th floor. Dan ini pemandangannya aku nikmati dari 1222. So from this side of the hotel, you are overlooking this beautiful Kuningan district with all the skyscrapers. Ini udah menjelang sore jadi kayak agak-agak mendung gitu. There you go guys. Cantik ya? Kalau kayak begini Jakarta tuh cantik banget. Right. And now I'm so ready to see the bathroom. Aku tuh selalu excited deh kalau ngelihat bathroom di hotel because it's usually very inspirational karena lucu-lucu gitu tempatnya, fasilitasnya, settingnya, and then the choices of items that they use in the bathroom, and the strategic location that they put. Ada beberapa yang menggunakan big glass windows atau doors, but ada juga yang private like this one. Take a look at this. Karena ini persis ada letaknya di belakang sini, dan you have the door connecting you to the bathroom from the bedroom. Ta-da! And here is the bathroom. Ini dia bathroomnya. You see, it's like an elegant traditional bathtub that you have, but the view is stunning. There you go. You can definitely close it up, but I think it will be nice and lovely to actually see the beauty of Jakarta day and night when you're taking your bath. Very relaxing, right? So you have this lovely bathtub for you to enjoy, and then the huge again cabinet for toiletries and everything that you can do in a bathroom. You have the double sink di sini, dan let's see the amenities, okay? I'm always excited about it. So you have your massage soap. There you go. I love the packaging of it. It looks elegant. You have your shower cap, you have your disposal bag, you have the body lotions and the toothbrush. And then you also have your box of tissue here, and then 2 small towels for you to use for your face probably, or face wipes. Your toilet is here, and then there is another door in there. And if you don't feel like using the bathtub, the shower is ready for you to use. Let's see. That's nice. And again, you have a complete toiletries in purple, my favorite colors. So you have shampoo, bath gel, shower gel, and conditioner. Then here you also have 2 extra glasses that you can use. Again, my favorite is the vanity mirror, where you can get extra close-up for your makeup routine. Here you have your towels, quite a variety of it, like the big one there in the bathtub, and then the medium one here for you to use. And they have a special place. What is this lovely? This is like a pearl, intricate details of the box with some of the toiletries that you can use during your stay. Wanginya enak dan kecium loh, walaupun aku pakai masker. So that means they have a high quality toiletries used in this lovely hotel. Dan warnanya ungu, my favorite. It does match my dress today, right? Fancy enjoying Jakarta sky while taking a bath? Well, this is a perfect place for you then. Cheers from the Ritz Carlton, Mega Kuningan Jakarta. And here is the final part of the room. Aku tuh paling pengen deh punya walk-in closet. I hope in my next house I can have one. Anyway, aku jadi curcol sih. But one thing for sure, here at the Ritz Carlton, you have a big closet that you can use, and as part of the, I think, the complete amenities and facilities here in the room, you have your bathrobe. This is specially provided for all the guests, and you have your ironing board and iron as well to make sure that you look stunning with your dresses with no apa lipatan-lipatan yang gak jelas. You get your slippers in there, and then you have your here the safety box for you to use whenever you need it. And then let's see what we have here. Oh, you have your hair dryer here in the drawer. And there is another drawer underneath. You can get your laundry bag with the laundry list if you require such assistance from the hotel. And of course, there will be a flashlight in case of emergency, and that will be very helpful indeed. Okay, and another big mirror on the wall for you to check out how you look. What I like about the hotel in the new normal era is that they have everything ready digitally, so you can definitely scan this barcode to explore the hotel's offerings as well as placing our orders conveniently online. I think you can have food, beverages, and then if you have some extra amenities, or if you need some gifts, or if you need any information, easiest thing, just scan the barcode. Surprisingly, when I checked out the drawer, they also provide you with this individually wrapped praying mat atau sejadah. This is lovely indeed, karena biasanya kita harus minta kan atau telepon ke concierge or to the housekeeping to actually ask for one, but they provide it already. That's nice. For the laundry, if you want to check it out, here's a list, and you can definitely have all those services for your laundry here with the following prices. Alrighty, so that's my little review, little room tour for all of you out there at the Ritz Carlton Mega Kuningan Jakarta. I know this is another beautiful hotels that you can definitely choose for your staycation or for your working station or for your isolation period if you need to have one during your stay here in Jakarta. Letaknya juga strategis banget, not far from city centers as well as business district, and I think we have cafes and malls as well as in the surroundings, although of course during the pandemic things will be a lot different. Again, as I said in the beginning, it is part of the Marriott Bonvoy group, so you will definitely enjoy these top-notch facilities and the 5-star touch of the hotel. You will definitely feel it. I sincerely hope that you enjoy the room tour with me. I know that it's gonna be another lovely stay for me here in Jakarta with my family, probably coming later on after I finish my work. And of course, I hope that you definitely stay safe, happy, and healthy wherever you are. Dan jangan lewatkan review-review hotel lainnya ya. I'll be back with more interesting places for you to enjoy here in Jakarta as well as in the surrounding cities in Indonesia and the other part of the world as well. Thank you so much for watching. IndahNuria.com is saying thank you once again from Kuningan Jakarta. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next adventure on the next video. Take care now. Goodbye for now and take care. Ciao.